Hi guys, I want to say congratulations to batch 54 of ICICI PO. I'm very happy that you guys have been able to go through and now about to join the program. I think you're going through the loan process, and I'm gonna explain you a little about what are the what is the process, what you need to do. There are a lot of doubts that people have come to me with questions for the loans and try to help them out. If you guys are looking for freshers job, this is the right platform, guys. Please go ahead and subscribe. You'll keep on getting a lot of information about how to get a job for freshers, for experienced, how to crack interviews, and a lot of other informations which will help you over a period of time. So please guys, go ahead and subscribe. All right, let's move on. My first point is, guys, that remember one thing, that if you have cleared your assessment, okay, so remember that bank is planned to give you loan, okay. They're not planned to reject your loans. So first, don't worry, you're going to be employees of them, and they are going to be employer for you. So they want to give loan to you. Is it clear? All right, so don't worry, they're not there to just reject you. In case they don't find the appropriate documents, they'll give you a lot of alternatives, and then you can follow them. Just follow the steps, that's it. So first of all, when you clear, you get a process through communication over email, etc., and then you just need to follow that process. In the process, sometimes it may so happen that you might not be having one or two documents, some proofs, etc., and on those, again, don't worry, they will give you alternatives as well, and if you're able to meet, you will go through it. I think one of the questions which I very frequently get is, hey, my parents doesn't have IT file. That's one. Second, their salaries are pretty, or maybe they're self-employed and their incomes is low, and hence will they be able to be a co-applicant, will they be able to be a guarantor, etc. So guys, remember, always try to keep your parents as your co-applicant or guarantor. That's one. Second, if you don't have their IT file, okay, so go ahead and check what is the requirement first. When you get the loan process, whoever is coordinating with you for loans, ask what is the requirement for your parents, and then go and talk to a CA. Okay, a CA will be able to help you out with IT files, etc., within 1 or 2 days only for last 1 or 2, 3 years. So that simply will help you solve all your problems with related to guarantor and all those stuffs. Okay, that is one thing that you need to continue to focus upon, that whatever the communication is coming, follow the steps. Whenever you're missing the document, check for alternative, then again follow back. So what's next? So the next question that I very frequently get is whether to go for self-funding or to go for loan. So guys, I'll tell you, if you are capable of paying, then you can definitely go for self-funding. If you're not, or if you are not very confident about the process, better not to pay anything. Take everything from bank, and then from your salary you can just pay the EMI. It's very simple. It's like you're not paying anything. You're getting a job, you're getting a salary, and apart from that, you're also paying as EMI because of your learning that you have got, which is like your MBA, PGDB, but you're getting a 1 year MBA diploma degree as well. Sorry, a diploma as well. So I think that's what you're paying an EMI for from your salary that is also being provided by your organization. So I think you need to be very, very clear that regardless of whether you go for self-funding or for loan options, it won't impact your what do you say, job security within the organization. If you perform well, you'll continue. If you don't, there will be repercussions as well. So don't be too minded whether you should pay or whether you shouldn't, and all those things. And in case there are questions, then go for a loan. But if you're very confident, and also you have very sufficient amount, you can also go ahead for self-funding, because what that helps you is that, one, that you don't pay the interest, right? So you just pay the principal amount. That's one. Second, you also have flexibility, because if you take loan, before you leave the organization, and if you switch to any other organizations, you have to clear that loan, and then only you can move. So that flexibility you will get. You can move anytime if you're not liking, or if you're getting a better opportunity outside of the organization, you can just quickly move on to the next organizations, just by serving the notice period. So you don't have to wait to get the funds, pay off, take the clearance, and then put your resignation, etc. So that takes time. Here you become a little fast, you become a little flexible as well. Apart from that, I think with respect to loans, there are very basic documents which are required, and it should be very clearly communicated to you over email. So you just need to follow your email instructions, and then there will be POCs who will be working with you to help you out to process your loans. So you'll be able to do it very easily. So please don't worry, guys. Always remember that the bank is there to give you the loan. They are not there to reject your loan. Guys, if you're still watching, please go ahead and subscribe. All the best.